Hi, I'm Thomas Carr from CB Traffic Solutions. We're a traffic management company and I'm the Managing Director. We comply with ISO 9001 and AS 4801. We use Mango for all our audit requirements, for all our certifications that we've got to meet. We use it for our day-to-day running of all our operations. It also helps us track and maintain our vehicles that we use out on the road. It's made us more efficient within the company, and at the end of the day, for a bit of money outlaid, it's brought a lot more money back in by following the processes in the system. Well, we've had Mango now for 2 years, and I've had probably about 4 people ask me for advice on it, if we recommend it. Highly recommend it to any company. Out of the 4 companies, I know 3 of them went with it, and I've heard nothing but good reports about it, and I can't speak highly enough of it. Being myself, not that computer literate myself, coming from a paper background, I find it very easy to use and maintain, and that's what we're after. Well, we use it for our shopping lists and... No, sorry. Sorry.